Welcome back. Albuquerque Ride strives to be the first choice in transportation services here in the metro, and now they are also focused on growing its workforce. The department is going to be hosting a hiring fair next week at the Ken Sanchez Transit Facility. We are joined this morning by Megan Holcomb and Chris Facey from the City of Albuquerque Transit Department, telling us more about this wonderful event and how you could become part of the team. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. Great to have you with us because it's cool that, that these opportunities are going to be offered for anybody in the community. So let's kind of start talking about the event.
Yeah, so it'll be next Tuesday, October 17th, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at our Ken Sanchez Transit Facility. Folks will be able to get some help with applications, even do some on-site interviews. Folks will get the chance to do some on-site bus demonstrations, actually get to sit in the driver's seat, obviously not drive the bus, but kind of get a feel for the job. And yeah, just folks helping us out, answer some questions, whatever folks need to get the hiring process started.
There you go. We'll talk about getting a feel for the job. Chris, let's talk about your role with ABQ Transit.
Yeah, so I'm a city bus driver. I've been doing it for a couple months now. It's a great job, good benefits, you know what I mean? If you like to go to the gym, you get free gym membership at the gym with the city benefits, good retirement. The job itself, it's awesome. You get some cool routes. I've been in Albuquerque for some years now, and there's some places I haven't seen just going through the routes and things like that. And the training that they have, it's really good training to get your commercial driver's license. Going through the process, Eugene and Mark, they're really good trainers, and I had no doubt in my mind when it came down to the testing. I passed really good.
There you go. And again, exciting opportunities on so many levels, and like you say, even beyond employment, you have the great benefits after that, a good retirement. Real quick here, Megan, let's talk about what folks need to bring to the event with them. What should they be prepared for?
Yeah, really just a driver's license and proof of education. So a degree or anything like that is perfectly fine. Our HR staff will be on site to help with the application process. You don't even need to bring your resume. They'll help with all of that. So it's really simple. We want to make sure that all of the barriers are kind of broken down, making sure that it's as easy as possible. So we're just trying to, like I said, grow the workforce and get some drivers into those much needed positions.
Is there any kind of a target age group that should be reaching out, or is it just
really anyone? I mean, Chris is pretty young. We also have older drivers. Some are doing like a retirement job. Really, whatever you feel like. Here everybody is welcome.
All right. Date, time, and place once again for the hiring event.
Yeah. So next Tuesday, October 17th, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at our Ken Sanchez Transit Facility. That's 8001 Daytona Road Northwest. And all the information is on our website at abqride.com.
There you go. You read my mind. All right. Thank you to you both for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.